and welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today I'm here at Birla Evara, an ultra premium residential project which is located in the heart of Sarjapur, one of the Bengaluru's most active and rapidly developing residential hub. And this project is brought to you by the Birla Estates. In this video, we are going to discuss project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. And now let's take a look at the scale model. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Birla Evara is spread across 28 acres of land parcel, including 3 acres of Birla Mandir. This project features total 13 elegant towers in phase 1 and phase 2 with an elevation of 2 basement plus ground plus 27 floors, and it features approximately 1600 units. This future-ready gated development features high-end lifestyle amenities spread across 2 exclusive clubs, along with a master plan enriched with landscape zones, walkways, open areas and family-friendly spaces. With modern architecture and large, highly usable carpet areas, every apartment is crafted to maximize comfort, privacy and everyday conveniences, making Birla Evara a truly elevated living experience. And if we talk about the location advantages, so this project is strategically located on Sarjapur Road, which gives you excellent connectivity to major IT hubs like Outer Ring Road, Electronic City, Whitefield, RGA Tech Park, and the location benefits is Carmelaram railway station is just 5 kilometers away. Proposed Carmelaram Metro Red Line is just 3.5 kilometers away. Infosys Global HQ is upcoming, which is 15 kilometers away. Zepto headquarters is just 8.5 kilometers away, and proposed STRR and PRR is just 2 to 3 kilometers away. Also, this project is surrounded by the leading hospitals, international schools, shopping and entertainment hubs. And talking about the amenities, Birla Evara offers you one of the largest indoor amenity footprints in Sarjapur, with 58,247 square feet of amenities and 2 premium clubs. And let's talk about pricing and configuration. 3 BHK plus servant quarter with a carpet area starting from 1427 square feet up to 1461 square feet. Price starting from 2.18 crore onwards. 4 BHK plus servant quarter with a carpet area starting from 1733 square feet up to 1759 square feet. Price starting from 2.75 crore onwards. And if we talk about the payment plan, so it's 20-20-60 and it's available for only limited apartments. And now let's go to the sample flat. So this is the beautiful 3 BHK sample flat of Birla Evara. As soon as you enter inside, you get this cute little foyer area which is perfect for your shoe rack or for the decor. And now let's go inside the living room. So this is your living area which looks bright, open and airy, and also this comes with an attached balcony over there. So this is your balcony, and right next to this living area, you get here the dining area which is perfect for 8 to 9 family members. And right next to this, you can see this open kitchen which comes in the L shape, and this is the place for your refrigerator. So this is the open kitchen layout, and right next to this kitchen you can see this dry area which is perfect for your washing machine, and you can see the window over here which is perfect for cross ventilation and natural light. And now let's go to the first bedroom. So this is your first bedroom which comes with an attached washroom. And here is the good wardrobe space, and also this bedroom comes with this window which is perfect for natural light and cross ventilation. And look at the space of this bedroom. Now it's time for the second bedroom. So this is our second bedroom. You can keep it as a kid's bedroom as well, which also comes with an attached washroom. And here also you get this window and the perfect place for your kids' study room. And you can see the wardrobe area over here. And now let's go to the third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom which also comes with an attached washroom. So this is the perfect place for your bed, and you can see the wardrobe area over here. And this bedroom also comes with its attached balcony, which is perfect for your morning chai or for the outdoor setup. And this is the place for your TV unit. And now let's go to the common washroom. And you have the common washroom over here. And now let me show you the servant quarter. So this is your servant quarter, which comes with a separate entry, and this room also comes with its attached washroom. And also you get here the window, which is perfect for the cross ventilation. If you like this video and want to know more about this project, do click on the link below so we will connect you in the further process. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discounts, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more luxury property updates.